O Vice Chancellor ka National Law University Jong ka Meghalaya, o Professor Indrajit Dubey mentagasngi ula penlong ya ka jingelang ha Meghalaya State Judicial Academy Tapovan Building. Kene ka jingelang ka long bansam ya ki jingnang jingtip bat ki jingpen sapriang jingtip shaphang ka BA LLB, BS LLB, BBA LLB bat ka postgraduate program ha ka law LLM Major in Corporate Laws. Ya ka ba unsdang nado unaitung menta usnem. Haba ajing keren Professor Indrajit ula pentip ba ka university kan mangkerpang sanpau na kasispa na kabenta ki kena pulih ha Meghalaya na lor kata ken hab bantho ya ka entrance test lingba ka online. Ula benrap ba na kabenta ka jingthongkam ya kinong tray ka university ka hab banbut ya ka state reservation policy. Uloong ba ka jingtmu jong kani ka rukompanya temai ya ka syllabus ya ka balatip kum ka dual degree program ha ka ba hangni ka jingtbit kam day tang nakabenta kumno banya sat kumba julong hagis nan balalet henry hangni ha NLU Meghalaya ka dual degree syllabus kan pen krearu ya ki kena nakabenta ki weipat ki jatkam.
The first one is the personalized learning, and we believe that in this particular creative society, we have to focus more on personalized learning. We are talking about the community engagement. That means, university should be closely associated with the community. So social problems should be solved by the action research. And the last thing which we are focusing more in this university is the research orientation. That means from the courses or the program which we are going to initiate in the university, it will be research based, and university continuously and its school continuously engage into the different research so that near domain of the knowledge been created and it's been disseminated.